So we just left Karad. Now we're going to Thoseghar Waterfall, and then we're going to go to Chalkewadi windmill plant. It's raining, so hopefully it stops by the time we reach, because I don't like rain. But yeah, we will see what it is, and it's beautiful up here. I think we're going to go more higher for the windmill plant, so it's going to be much more beautiful and much more greener. Can't wait. So we just finished climbing the mountain. We're on top of the mountain. It's a beautiful scene. There's a river flowing down there. Now it was raining heavily. Luckily it just stopped, but it's still a lot of windy and it's really cool breeze. So it's pretty chilly, but we still have to do what we came here to do. Look at the waterfall. So let's go do it right now. So you can hear the roaring sound. At first I thought it was the wind, but it's actually the waterfall. So sounds like it's a pretty big waterfall. Let's go see what it is like. So you can see this big waterfall over here. Apparently this is only the small one. The big one is still yet to come. To be honest, I don't know what to expect. Like, that's pretty fucking deep. Fuck me. I don't know what to say, like, that's scary, man. Like, look. Oh, man. That's the waterfall we came here to see. That's what it's known for. I think the place is named after the waterfall, if I'm correct. Yeah. And I can see why. Look at it, man. It's beautiful. So just witness the angry side of nature, just so that you all know, don't ever be on the wrong side of nature, because it will get back to you, and when it does, it'll bite hard. Unfortunately, there are some people who cross the railing. Watch out, bro. Some people who cross the railing and they have unfortunately died because the current of the water is too strong in the waterfall. So I suggest, please, if there's a railing or at any waterfall, don't cross it, especially this one, because it's there for a reason, okay? We don't want you dying around now, do we? So the first waterfall was a prank. Hope I got you guys. I know I did. Please. The second one was a small one. Apparently, this was the main one. I thought the last one which we went to was the big waterfall, but it's actually this one. You can see it right there, man. That's some big ass waterfall, bro. Beautiful, bellissimo, bonita.